folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC, and this is going to be the first video for the first upgrade of the TRX4. First upgrade for the TRX4 is the ESS Dual Plus sound system, so I'm going to put some sound into it. This is the newest version that has 4 types of holders. It should be designed specifically for the TRX4, so it should be able to bolt right on fairly easily. Some interesting things that I noted about this product is that it's been distributed by Associated, one of the biggest brands in RC, but it still has some pretty bad English translations. Look at this, 4 types holder, perfect matching. Good quality, guys. All right, so this is about the 3rd generation of this product. This one is the dual firing speaker, so it has a 5-watt driver on each end of it, and it has just more power and more mounting options. So it's called the Engine Sound System Dual Plus Sound Simulator, and I'll put a link in the description about where you can get that. So yeah, let's get right into it and see what you get. All right, so we get some screws. The module itself is actually smaller than I had originally thought. Warning, turn down volume below 50% when using 4S or above, so you don't blow out your speakers. I believe it has a voltage rating somewhere. I think it takes up to 22.2 volts, up to 3S. You'd have absolutely no problems with 3S. Yeah, cool, it's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. ESS Dual Plus. Now, I'm not entirely sure how waterproof it is. I wouldn't want to fully submerge this until I add some extra goop around all of the seams. So this is something where I'm going to have to see how easy it is to pop on and off once I get it set up. But you just have a power lead, your receiver lead, some adapters here for if you want to run it straight off of Dean's, you can, and then your mounts. Instructions, mounts, tape, and the USB stick for programming it. So that's the thing that's cool about this one, is that you can download all kinds of different engine sounds, turbo spool noises, brake noises, custom program it. You know, you can make it sound like whatever you want. It's good for cars, boats, planes, trucks, crawlers. They show it being used for everything. So they have software where you can download any kind of sound you want. I'll get setting it up. Here's actually some of the mounting options it comes with. So it comes with a mount for an axial SCX10-2, axial XCX10, Traxxas TRX4, and an axial Wraith built right in. So this is a fairly new enough product. It has mounts for popular crawlers on the market. So that's pretty cool. And here's some of the setup information, which you won't be able to read, but all right, let's get into her. All right, here we are with the current install process on the ESS Dual Plus. Although they don't show you how to run the wires or anything, because all you get is that one little picture. Also, I am running it reverse of what they recommend. They're showing it pointing towards the front, but I thought it would be better onto there, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I should flip it around later, but for now I'm gonna have it hanging off the back, and I've got the wiring coming down, tucking under the tower into the wire clip, and now I just have to, I took the lid off the receiver box. I need to get the wiring in. I'm not gonna use the aux. It comes with a little aux wire. I don't need that. I just need to plug this into the Y adapter that it comes with, which I've already got this plugged in. And this is the Y adapter that it includes. So you want to unplug channel 2, which is your throttle, 1 to turn, 2 to burn. So unplug channel 2, plug it into the Y adapter, plug the other end of the sound module into the other end of the Y adapter, and get all of this stuff fit back down into the receiver box, which is the trickiest thing to do. Just patience. Figure out your wiring, try and get it so it will fit reasonably well. You do have a lot of vertical room, not a lot, but you have a reasonable amount of vertical room with the lid, so you don't have to worry about it too much, but there is a lot of stuff that could get pinched, so be careful about that. And to power it on, it includes a pass-through Dean's, so it's JST on one end to a Dean's on the other, and I'll be able to do that with my Dean's battery. But if you have a Traxxas battery, so I'll need to be using a lot of adapters to make this work out of the kit. I'll have my Dean's battery plugged into this, and then this with a Dean's to TRX adapter plugged into the truck. That'll be what we'll try to do today. Not ideal, but until later, I would like to run this off of the balance plug, but it doesn't come with leads to do that. So it's all just temporarily wired in right now. So I've got my throttle connection into the receiver, channel 2 through the Y adapter. I have power through the JST connector. I think we're ready. Transmitters on. Truck. truck is on. I think I heard a beep. We got a light on the sound module. It works. There's a way to change what sound it's making too. How do we do that? In running mode, press and hold minus. Okay, that's mode 2. That sounds so good. Oh yeah, hold her up.
Just crawl with it. That sounds mint.
That does sound really good. Slight snag, when I decided that I wanted to run the box on the opposite side of the tower, it interferes with the stock Defender body. So it's hitting the wheel wells. It's dark in there, but it's hitting the wheel wells. I can't put the body on. So you do have to run it on the front of the tower.
No, definitely won't.
You have to run it on the front of the tower. Oh well, okay, I have to fix that, swap that around. For cable management for this, I would recommend that you do it like this, where if it's sitting on the front of the tower, instead of just having the wires come straight out the front and go down around, then it'll get messy and get tied up and get tangled up when you're trying to get batteries in and out. So I'm putting it behind the tower and then under the bottom when mounting it. And it doesn't look like it's going to put too much strain on there, and it just gets them down lower and out of the way from when you're trying to insert your battery clip, because the battery clip-on is right underneath it. So anyway, just play around with your wire and get it how you like it best. So far putting the body on has been a bit of a struggle, so we'll see here. So far I found that you have to put it back first while spreading it open to get the fender flares over the box. You have to get your back perfectly lined up on the bumper pins, and then just, oh, look at that. Just that time it just dropped right down like I'm a pro at it. But the last time it took us 20 minutes to get that on like that. Cool. Let's go take her inside.